Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the JUOVI Magnetic Power Bank. It's a 10,000 mAh wireless power bank which you can use with your MagSafe compatible devices like an iPhone. And on top, of course, you can use it as a power bank for every USB rechargeable device out there. But the big thing here is the magnetic external battery function. It's a wireless power bank with 22.5 watt power. Quick charge with Dan. It's a battery pack compatible directly with our iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series, and so on. We have a 10,000 mAh large capacity. The battery with the large capacity can charge our iPhone 15, for example, 1.8 times, so we can stay connected longer. The magnetic power bank has an efficiency of more than 75%, which reduces the power consumption. And we have a super strong magnetic force. The built-in magnets of this portable mobile phone charger has a magnetic force up to 4,400 GS. The iPhone 15 can be easily attached to a line to charge, 16 to 14 and so on, all with magnetic power. When used together with the included magnetic stick, it can achieve even strong suction power and firmly fix our phone with the magnetic battery pack, of course. And this is possible to get other devices on the stage too, like an Android device, like a Samsung, Huawei, and so on. We have two ways of fast charging. The Type-C port supports up to 22.5 watt output and up to 20 watt input for fast, highly efficient charging. The power of the magnetic power bank is up to 15 watt. The charging speed is 2 times faster than others with 7.5 watt magnetic power banks. And we have built-in double stands. There is a hidden stand on the front of the wireless portable charger, which is specially prepared for devices without magnetic charging function. The side bracket is made of aluminum alloy, which is stronger and more stable than ordinary brackets. We can watch videos while charging, for example. It's perfect for traveling. We travel freely without being tied to a charging cable. We don't need to take a cable with us when we are on go. And we no need to plug and unplug the charging cable anymore. The power magnetic cord charges when plugged in. We just like an external battery for our iPhone. Oh, that's cool. Or, of course, with the ring and with the stand option and with the wire thing, of course, we can recharge other USB devices with that too. The device complies with part of the FCC rules. That means this equipment generates, uses, and can radiate radio frequency energy, and it if not installed and used in accordance with the instruction, we may cause harmful interference and radio communications. So we use it not directly at a power an power speaker or something else. We don't use it directly at the radio station and so on. But this is a standard for power bank with induction reloading option. So you can use it normally. The capacity is 10,000 mAh. That are 38.5 watt hour. We have easy outputs, Type-C and USB-A. But we have an input, Type-C input, to recharge the device. The dimensions are 110 to 70 to 20 millimeter. The weight is only 220 grams. We have easy and charge our earbuds or smartwatches with that. We enter a trickle charging mode. We long press the power button for 3 seconds. The LED indicator starts cycling. And we connect the charge low current device such as Bluetooth earbuds, smart bands, or something else. Better protect the devices. And then we can exit by trickle charging mode. The double click the power button. The cycling LED indicator switch back to the power display normally. And Easy peasy as going, as you can see. So you can recharge nearly everything with that. Every USB device can be recharged, and a USB device, like an AC adapter of your smartphone, can charge this power bank. Full charge, easy peasy. And of course, we can charge our G standard devices directly via the magnetic power bank, wireless, and we can use the wire connection by reloading every other USB device out there. And on top, we can make an G standard smartphone without magnets to a magnet power device with the included magnetic round device to upgrade our smartphones. This is the JUOVI Magnetic Power Bank with 10,000 mAh wireless power bank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.